You will be punished. You don't want to be punished, do you?
Wah. Wah 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 wah.
Right. That's it. Gravel, since you won't go do something else, you are.
Hey!
Gravel, what are you doing? Oh, you better not throw the PC out of the window. I paid a lot of money for that.
There we go, I killed that son of a bitch Crane, now time to burn in hell.